Today, we're going to talk about emotions and how all of you is welcome and how to release emotions from the breasts, as well as how to be emotionally empowered. All of you is welcome. When I first heard those words, I felt like I was home. Your rage is beautiful. Your sadness is beautiful. Your joy, your numbness, all of it is beautiful. Emotions are energy in motion. Emotions can actually be used as wisdom, as fuel for your empowerment, because every emotional experience that you have is not only an opportunity to access your inner self, your depth, your wisdom, but also an opportunity to go into your next level and release what's no longer serving you. Emotional presence, emotional maturity, emotional ownership are you and your body's birthright. So we're really going to focus on the emotions in your heart space and in your breast, because as we bring presence and love to the breasts, we are honoring the confidence and empowerment and self-love. Self-love is really a journey of being present with all of your experiences. Emotional intelligence is something that we build, and a lot of people in society don't consider this an intelligence, but it actually is. It's the narrative of the patriarchy that our emotions are weak. Just imagine that you can enjoy and embrace and flourish in your emotions. Honoring your emotions is significant for a healthy relationship with your body. And honoring and embracing your emotions is going to increase your confidence, your empowerment, and your self-love. Because you're confident in all parts of you. You know that all of you is welcome, that you don't have to hide anything from anyone. You're confident because if something goes wrong and you're sad, you know that you'll be able to self-soothe and love. You're empowered because you communicate how you feel. You communicate your truth. You're not ashamed of how you feel, and you can do so with a quality of compassion, and it increases your self-love because you're loving yourself through everything, and that creates joy, and we'll talk about that later.